have a product that's pretty unique, a holding and disbursement account. So we will, if a couple is getting divorced and an attorney doesn't want to hold, if they sell their home or a vacation home or property or a business, we have the ability to hold those funds in escrow until the court order is finalized. And that, once again, puts everybody's mind at ease that we have those funds. And we are very, we go by the instructions. Yeah.
Well, and I think anybody going through this process can agree that having advisors as part of your team, including your escrow agent, kind of be the guiding light in terms of when things start to go wrong, right? To be able to rely on them as a neutral third party to just follow the terms of the agreement when things are heated or people are no longer capable of having legitimate conversations. I mean, I worked on a transaction where people had the communication had really broken down, and there was some lost trust in the process. And I think what's nice when you're utilizing escrow is that you can hang your hat on the fact that if your documents were drafted well by your attorney, then the likelihood that if you've put an earnest deposit down and the seller goes MIA because maybe they weren't ready to sell and they're having doubts and they've just shut down, or vice versa, maybe something came up in diligence and all of a sudden the buyer is kind of scared and they just don't want to have any more conversations. I've seen it where people just stop communicating altogether, and when you have escrow there to be sort of the backstop when people stop communicating is a nice way to feel like you have a lifeboat in the middle of the ocean.
Right. Exactly. That's why we're there, to help with it, with attorneys, and really do assist the brokers. To try and be that go-to for everybody, and to know that they can trust us.